Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Celer Network. In my previous video, I was showing you that after breaking out a very huge falling wedge pattern on the weekly time frame chart, Celer Network was trying to break out the key resistance of 3 cents. And right now you can see that the price line is still struggling to break this resistance out. And in today's video, we will take a look at this move. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for Celer Network that I shared a few days back with my members on 17th of March. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Celer Network that I shared on 17th of March. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal garlet pattern that Celer Network formed with Bitcoin pair. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price has started a very nice reversal from this buying zone. And so far, it has rallied more than 47%. And before that, I shared this harmonic bullish reversal bad move. And by the way, when I shared this idea at that time, it was very close to complete this final leg. Therefore, I told my members that we can wait for the price line to slightly drop more down and enter in this buying zone. Then the price line can start the next reversal from here. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line exactly as per the Fibonacci sequence of this bad move dropped more down, completed this leg here, and then we had a very nice reversal. Now, let me to take you here on the weekly time frame chart. And here you can see that the price line was moving inside a very, very long-term falling wedge pattern. And recently we have broken out the resistance in the month of January 2023. And we broke out the next resistance that we had here at 2 cents. That was a quite long-term resistance, by the way. Previously, it had been working as a support here and as a resistance here and as a resistance here as well. And now the price line is struggling to break out this next resistance of 3 cents. And previously this level had been breaking as a support here and resistance here. Therefore, again, it can break as a very strong resistance for the price line. And you can see that this is the second week that the price line is struggling to break out this resistance. Now, if we take a look at the smaller time frame chart, then previously we saw this breakout from this down channel. And after the breakout, I was showing you this rising wedge pattern that Celer Network formed, but you can see that we had another attempt to break out this rising wedge pattern, but the price then could not break out and got rejected by this resistance of the rising wedge pattern, and now it is moving down to test the support of this wedge. Now, for example, if the price line breaks down this support, then the target to the downside can be here at the bottom of the wedge that will be approximately at 1.2 cents. But in my point of view, if this support will be broken down, then Celer Network can test this long-term support that we have here at 2 cents. This is a quite long-term, therefore it will be really very difficult for Celer Network to break down this support of 2 cents. And in case of breaking out this rising wedge pattern, the target to the upside can be here that will be approximately at 3.6 cents. And in that situation, we can also break out this long-term resistance on the weekly time frame chart that is at 3 cents. And the final target for this huge breakout from this falling wedge pattern, you can see that we have already broken out this resistance, and the target can be here at the top of the wedge that will be approximately at 20 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.